están haciendo como burrito para limpiarle los oídos.
He's such a good boy.
He is such a good boy. Wow. I know. You do. It's okay.
Almost
It's okay.
done.
I'm sorry, sweetie.
Almost done, little
Almost done, okay?
David.
You're doing so good. Yeah. You're doing so good.
This is much better, Mom.